Justice for Ijaz!
Another death, another protest. This one for Ijaz Chowdhury, a 62-year-old father of 4 who on the weekend was in crisis.
My uncle was a harmless man. He had no power to hurt anyone.
Chowdhury's family says on Saturday they called a non-emergency number hoping for help.
You're in a mental health crisis, and you're faced by people with guns, people with body armor, people with authority over you.
The Peel Regional Police today offered condolences and asked for patience during the investigation.
We demand a public inquiry into what took place, and we also demand that the officer involved in shooting our uncle is removed immediately from Peel Police.
All of this amidst a global debate over how police use their weapons, how they use force, not just on crime suspects, but also on people suffering mental health crisis.
In the last month, several other people have died after interactions with police responding to emergency calls.
We have to question the logic of having heavily armed agents of the state conducting so-called wellness checks.
This researcher says mental health workers and not armed police officers should be responding to many crisis calls.
Over the past 2 decades, studies have shown that about 70% of the people in this country who are killed by police officers have either mental health issues and or substance abuse issues. 70% of the persons killed by police.
No justice, no peace!
He says as protests mount over police use of deadly force, he's optimistic that governments are realizing there may be better ways to respond. Dave Seglin, CBC News, Mississauga.